Alright, this is going to be our setup for the circular motion lab, which is all about centripetal acceleration and Newton's laws. So I've got a decent amount of stuff here. Sorry about the shadows, it's nighttime. But let me walk you through at least how to connect everything, and then I'll do a separate video that you can watch on how to actually conduct the lab. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that 1 meter long string that you guys created, and it has to have the 2 loops that are there as well, which should already be there. But if you tighten up one of the loops, you'll notice that the rubber stoppers I gave you, they have a hole in it. So if you kind of squeeze this up, you can actually feed it through the hole. And then, this is really cool, without tying more knots, what we can do is we can basically take the other looped end, and we can just feed that right through there. Alright, if you feed it right through the other loop, when you then tighten it, it's not creating a knot, but it will stay secure no matter what if you continue to pull on this end of the string. Alright, so that's the first part. I've got the rubber stopper now connected to the string. Again, do it without a knot. Do it that way, it's really nice. Now what I'm going to do is take the PVC pipe. This is going to be the part that I hold. And I'm going to feed the other loose end through this smoothie straw pipe. Alright, sorry, I'm in the habit of calling it a PVC pipe. Okay? Alright, so here's what you're then going to do with the other, the same free end that you just fed through the smoothie straw. You're going to take a paper clip where you've kind of bent out one end, and you're going to basically just put that around it, and that's going to be the end that we hang our masses from. Might as well do it right now. We're going to take all 6 washers. The big ones are 10 grams. Put all 3 of those on. And the small ones are 7 grams each. Put all 3 of those on. And bend it out a little bit more if you need to squeeze them in there, but they should be pretty snug. This is going to be my hanging mass then at one end. Alright. Now the last cool part that I'm going to help you with is when you actually spin this in a circle, the rubber stopper, it's going to be going so fast it's going to be hard to measure any distances while you're actually spinning it. So I've got a little trick for you guys. I want the radius of the circle that the stopper is going in, I want it to be about 20 centimeters. So if I put the center of the stopper right at 0, and then I'm going to hold the smoothie straw and then kind of pull the string through it, I'm going to hold it at 20. If I make the string pretty taut there, alright, let me get the masses out of the way. That then is pretty much 20 centimeters for the length from the smoothie straw to the stopper, which would be the radius of the circle it makes. Now how will I actually keep it that length? Well, if you take the other paper clip, alright, and you get about, I don't know, 2 centimeters, so almost an inch. If you basically feed this the string, if you feed the string right through the little opening there where it would pinch on itself, you can then basically have a little placement marker on your string where if you, before spinning it, have this 2 centimeters from the bottom of the smoothie straw, that's then a good little guide to when you are spinning it to know that if this is 2 centimeters from the bottom, your radius then will be 20 centimeters as we've shown right now. Okay? So this is the setup. Like I said, watch the other video on how to actually conduct the lab, okay? Hope that helped, guys.